Picture a drink that fuses the rich, bold essence of coffee with the lively sparkle of kombucha. Coffee kombucha isn't just a passing fad, it's a stunning discovery. Begin by brewing a robust cup of your favorite coffee, ensuring it's strong enough to pack a punch. As it cools, blend it with sweetened tea, creating a tantalizing mix. The real magic unfolds when you add the SCOBY, that fascinating culture that turns this concoction into something truly special. Allow it to ferment for about a week and remember to sneak a taste along the way. As you wait, excitement builds for that perfect harmony of flavors. What do you end up with? A bubbly, invigorating drink that's not only delightful, but also brimming with probiotics. Imagine sharing this extraordinary beverage with friends. Their expressions will be priceless. It's more than just a drink. It's a conversation starter, a favorite among the crowd, and a refreshing twist on your regular coffee habit. Are you ready to dive in and create your own coffee kombucha? Join the movement. Smash that like button, subscribe for more thrilling recipes, and share your brewing stories in the comments. Let's embark on this flavorful adventure together. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinural.com, 3 Coffee Lover.